without the EFF. But one day, just close your eyes and imagine politics of South Africa without EFF. We will be worse because no one will be holding these people accountable. This MK you are talking about, where was it in the Constitutional Court now when we're holding corruption accountable? Where was DA? Where was Freedom Under Law? Where was Helen Suzman Foundation? If the EFF was not there, not only was Ramaphosa going to not be exposed with dollars in his farm, he will now be putting dollars in the crawl because the house will be full. Because once you go to the lounge, it means the bedroom is full, everything. So from lounge is kitchen, from kitchen there is no available space. Let's go to the crawl. We saved you from dollars being put in the crawls, this EFF. Dollars were being brought into this country, being counted in the planes, in the private jets, and in the open and all of that. That's how much we're deteriorating as a country. And people don't have an appreciation of how we had saved our country from such a degeneration. Come on, guys. The guy says, I'm a farmer, I'm doing business. That's how the dollars found their way in the Phala farm. Firstly, he doesn't realize he's making a mistake because the Constitution says, as a president, you can't do any other business except the business of being president. That is his oath of office. Yeah. That alone, he has violated his oath of office. Then he says a person came to buy the buffaloes with dollars. Second thing is that you are actually undermining the Reserve Bank laws because the only trading currency in South Africa is rand. That's why we can take the dollars now and go to Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton is an international shop. They will not take dollars. We're going to have to change them into rands. So you can't trade in South Africa using dollars. So thirdly, a person who came to buy dollars buys them in his explanation from a manager, gives him so much money. In rands, that money is more than 8.7 million. Gives your manager so much money. He doesn't deposit it in the bank. The money gets stolen. You don't open a case. You say, I told my bodyguard. Cyril Ramaphosa is a graduate of law. He knows the law. There is no criminal procedure that dictates that when a crime is committed, you must tell your bodyguard. When a crime is committed, you go and open a case and get a case number. All of a sudden, he acts like a layman who doesn't know